In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube. Deleting a playlist can be helpful if you no longer want to keep certain videos organized together or if you want to start fresh with a new playlist. Deleting a playlist is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the View All button next to the Playlists option. Once you are on this page, you'll see all of your YouTube playlists. What you want to do next is find the playlist that you want to delete. I want to delete the example playlist. To do that, tap on these three little dots on the right of that playlist. And then, simply tap Delete. Tap Delete one more time to confirm it. That YouTube playlist is now deleted. There is another way to delete playlists on YouTube. Tap on the playlist that you want to delete. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply tap Delete Playlist. Tap Delete one more time to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.